Today we are going to discuss about the systematic method of problem solving. What is a problem? A problem is a felt difficulty. That is, it is a difficult situation or thing that creates some difficulties. What is problem in mathematics? In mathematics, a problem is a statement or equation that needs some solution. In our life, there are different types of problems. Some of them are puzzle problems. Some others are catch problems. Then there are real problems and unreal problems. Then how to solve these problems systematically? Life is full of problems, and man is able to solve these problems as he has proper experience and art of overcoming these problems. Then which are the steps followed in the systematic method of problem solving? First step is defining and identifying the problem. It is the student should be able to identify and defining the problem. Also, the problem should be challenging, interesting, and motivating to the students. That is the first step. Then the second step is analyzing the problem. The problem should be analyzed as what is given and what is found out. Then the next step is formulation of hypothesis. It is the list of the possible reasons for the occurrence of the problem. That is, it is the tentative solution of a problem. The next step is the testing of hypothesis. Here, appropriate methods are used to test the validity of the hypothesis of the problem. Then the last step is the verification of the result. Here, the student should be able to make generalizations and apply the solution of the above problem in our life. These are the different methods, different steps to solve the solution of the problem in a systematic way. Then what are the benefits of using the systematic method of problem solving? It creates active learning, and it creates critical thinking, collaboration, creative ability in the students. Then what is the role of the teacher? Here, encourage active learning, then create fear-free environment in the classroom, and create an appropriate environment to analyze the solution of the problem. That is the end of the today's topic. Thank you.